What is up, my Poke loves? It's Poke Shine 22 TCG coming back with part 2 of my 20 pack extravaganza. I'm gonna get right into it. It's kind of late at night, so I gotta be quiet. Got a black key run pack right here. Let's get this bad boy rolling. Hopefully we can get some more EXs or something. We got a go card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And let's go. We have Oddish, Gothita, Mienfoo, Skitty, Numa, Mienshao, Petalil, Herdier, Sandslash Reverse, and a Grumpig. Okay. That was pack 1, black key run pack. Pack number 2, the white key run. Get somebody good. Yeah, I got that code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And let's see. We have Oddish, Gothita, Mienfoo, Skitty, Numa, Electrode, Hugh, Krogunk, Tranquil Reverse, and a Jellicent. Okay. Pack number 3. Landorus pack. Okay. It's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. See, hopefully Landorus can give us something good again. Got Voltorb, Lillipup, Ducklet, Squirtle, Dwebble, Lopunny, Mienshao, Golduck, Meowth Reverse, and a Stoutland Hollow. So cool hollow. Definitely gonna put him in the sleeve. Pop one out real quick. Another cool hollow to add to the Boundaries Crossed collection. Put him over here. Okay, now we have a Keldea pack. Keldea's been good to me all day today. Hopefully he can continue his luck. Got a code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Let's see what we got. We have Dunsparce, Makuhita, kind of blurry, Krogunk, Spinda, Meowth, Town Map, Snorlax, oh, Great Ball, Togepi Reverse, and a Toxicroak. Okay, now, just for my sake, I'm going to be trying to save this one pack of each. So this might take a minute. Hopefully I can get it rather quickly. Okay, so there we go. There's a black key run pack, that's good. Code card, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Nope. Sorry about that. Got Energy Switch, Tangela, Potion, Oshawott, Patrat, Watchog, Electrode, Snorlax, a Toxicroak Hollow, which is very cool, and a Camerupt. Okay. Just get organized real quick here for 1 second. Kind of messy. Get all these code cards out the way. Okay. Now we have a white key run pack. Again, for me. Oh, whoop. Looks like I'm not saving this one. Obviously, we're gonna have to buy more packs. That's okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We got a Pikachu, Tailo, Venipede, Gligar, Voltorb, Snorlax, Azumarill, Watchog, Servine Reverse, and another Toxicroak. Okay. Have a Landers pack. Maybe this one won't open on its own. Okay, come on. Come on. This is exactly what I meant by taking minutes sometimes. There we go. That one was kind of hard to open. So maybe that means we got a good card there. There's the code card. 12312. Hopefully it gives us something good. We have Frillish, Electabuzz, Oddish, Leapop, Squirtle, Kling, Skyla, Swanna, Duskull Reverse, and a Unpheasant. Alright, we got a Keldeo pack. Hopefully this one, oh, that's alright. I got another Keldeo pack to open after this one, so I'll just try and save that one instead. There's a code card, 12312. Okay, and we have Snivy, Switch, Tepig, Purloin, Pokeball, Cryogonal, Dusclops, Rocky Helmet, Voltorb. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, yes, yes. Oh my god, yes. Celebi EX Full Art, mint condition. Oh my god, this just made the video. Oh, the texture on it felt amazing. That is incredible. Celebi EX Full Art, yes. I didn't even finish saying Voltorb Reverse because I was so shocked to see that. Oh my god, yes. That is awesome. That just made my day. Alright, we got another Landers pack that I can rip open because I have one saved already. Put the pack right there. Code card. 12312. Okay, we have Woobat, Snivy, Pokeball, Spoink, Pikachu, Town Map, Charmeleon, Tranquil, Oddish Reverse, and another Unpheasant. Okay, final pack of the video and part 2, and the extravaganza all together. For now, probably have another one pretty soon. Okay, let's try and save this last Keldeo pack. I'm not getting any help from Keldeo at all. Background just fell over a little bit. Okay. Come on. There you go. Come on. There she is. Nope. Come on. Nope. Alright. So I'm going to have to try and save a Keldeo pack again. Alrighty. So we have a code card. 12312. Like that. Last pack, hopefully we got something good. Voltorb, Lillipup, Ducklet, Squirtle, Dwebble, Gothorita, Watchog, Whirlipede, Charmander Reverse, and a Golduck. So, sort of uneventful, really, for my second part. Part 1 was full of stuff. Part 2, obvious, Celebi EX Full Art. And just a recap of part 1. Landers EX, Altaria, Secret Rare, Shiny, Blastoise Hollow, Scolipede Hollow, Computer Search, and Stoutland. And part 2 as well. So, Celebi EX, Landers EX, 2 awesome pulls. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.